Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install IPTV SmartOS Pro in your iPhone. Right, so it is possible in iPhone and you can do in all the latest iPhone here. Now to do this you have to just go and visit the App Store. Right, so App Store is very important. So once you go to the App Store you have to search for SmartOS Player Lite. You can search here already, App Store will suggest you that you can search for it. Now once you search for it, it will show up here, Smartest Pro Lite. Now just go and click on this download icon here. Now click on it and just download this app. Now once you download this app, it will open up and click on open. Now it will start opening in your iPhone, right, in this format. And now you can just play this, right? So you have to place some permission here. For example, it will ask you to use your Bluetooth, so just allow it. And it will also ask you, then you can use it, right? So for example, play a single stream or extreme codes or local audio, you can just do this, right? So and by the way, this is application, so you can find it in your application section. So this is it guys, thanks for watching this video, subscribe.